Okay, on the system function, I'm going to show you how to number 85, function number 85, restore system defaults. Say for instance, you set everything and you want to go back to defaults settings. Only thing you have to do is go to function number 85 and go to option number 1. But I'm going to leave mine as 0 because I overrode it. But if I want to go back to restore it, I just use option number 1. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You hit fan and up. Then you can either go back, since back is closer, we're going to go to 85. And I got it to 0. If I want to restore it, I just go to 1 and hit done. But I want to keep my same settings. And then hit done. And that's it.